Hi everyone, my name is Yash Kaswan and my student ID is 1671363. Today I tell you about the pricing strategy analysis of Zara and H&M in the fast fashion industry. So I start with the introduction. Price is determinant of brand positioning, income and consumer behavior in competitive markets. And the second point is Zara and H&M have been chosen because of their differentiation in price in the fast fashion industry. Now I tell you about the fast fashion industry overview. So the first point is fast fashion is defined by the high turnover of products, responsiveness to trends and volumes of new collections. And the second point is the firms are faced with the need to strike a balance between price and speed, innovation and demand. Now I tell you about the Jara business modeling and positioning. So the first point is Zara adheres to the fast fashion concept where designers and manufacturers and distributors distribute their product within a short period. And the second point is placed as an affordable luxury one that sells trendy and high quality product. Now I tell you about the Zara pricing strategy. So the first point employs value and high quality pricing and high brand performance. And the second point is low discounting is kept to provide exclusivity and urgency. Now I tell you about the factor influencing pricing of the Jara. So the first point, good internal control via vertical integration and effective supply chain. And the second point, high demand, short product life cycle and competitive positioning are examples of external factors. Now I tell you about the business model and positioning of the H&M. So here again, the first point is H&M follows the mass market business models with deals and mass manufacturing and low cost. And the second point is skilled as a low end brand with low end consumers. Now I tell you about the pricing strategy of the H&M. So here competitive and presenting pricing to win a huge amount of customers based on the psychological price discounting promotions and season sales. Now I tell you about the factors that influencing pricing of the H&M. So the first point, outsourced production and economies of scales are all internal, and the pricing competition, consumer demand, and digital pricing pressures are external factors. Now I tell you about the comparative analysis of the both. So the first point about the Zara is concentrated on high cost and value perceived, and H&M is concerned on a low cost and quality, and the pricing strategies are in the line with other business models and productive development. Now I tell you about the recommendations. To increase market coverage, Jara needs to implement middle level pricing and focus promotions, and H&M is advised to enhance the perceived value and limit the use of heavy discounting. Now these are the references for the presentation. Thank you.